So what? We shall throw on na. It's very at the very top. Your application web. Your application web. That will tell you that they were trying to do an application. And our system not shee or more. And automatically edi OB registered number 2022. It is what me who so their Maame Akosua.
Okay, never. Yeah, the middle one.
Yeah, I think it's either the middle one or
yes.
so.
Yeah, I think it's October. How much I say October 7th, 2014. And if you want yes, I had about okay, 2014. I mean, come with
Me fan to nechi.
By the he just for so the owner of a benefit.
Yeah, okay, the beneficiary. Yeah.
2022.
Charles for Sunini, yes.
Because we cannot go in. So
yeah. And on until Osha say no, beneficiary nini.
Yeah. Until one say
yeah.
Owner beneficiary no. Who's owner beneficiary no? Oh no DNA. Is it this one you're showing me?
Yes, RPG Charles Fosu 442.
Hold on.
Okay, yes, there I think say unanini. Auntie Mama 10 number yeah. Aha, 2022 here and only 2022 here. 17th November 2022. Whoa.
Wow. What's the form? I'm sad then I drop it.
What Mama Safanti? They no work on anything. Onano, almost say Onano. On air, which is Charles Fosu. Yes, Charles Fosu. No, not the 10 number here. P 0041204442. And over here, also membership date, registered date. November 17, 2022. And you have an account. Okay.
Registered date now and the tin number. OB or say beneficiary register business no owner beneficiary or non intino and I share that the Lumba DLFM now out 2022.
I beba to bet me at 10 camera no. The reason camera no.
Says where?
I think swap for phone no upside down. I think it might work that well.
Mami, okay, Mami is in reality.
Okay, Pokia, I see Pokia also the need there bet today.
Mirror.
Tell me, why?
Intino when we said DLFM no.
Abusua,
it was
Pokia way. Saba wo there way.
Okay. Me kwa mesawo. We so ya asamo de grade.
Na me ka say 10 number no.
Black camper.
Yeah.
Saba you picture if you were never say ye.
Intino what they were basically trying to do was do editing of the whole
application. What the anyway?
Maybe yes.
Saba me you picture no.
Maybe na me say I can about 10 number. If it's 10 number registration, it started 2018.
No. The other two forms. So that is a blatant lie. It is never done anywhere. You know, your social security numbers. So, what I say, Sebio, so be filing on us more social security number. Now, Jaina, now go file for fry. You have to change your status because Nipa no ne jai.
Debbie.
No,
Debbie.
It doesn't happen like that. It's what they were going to do. And when we page now, Odo BRONII did that so no. Baby, and the birthday ne no. For sa page, mama na mention what you be wo.
Me ba cho Rosie. Na sa no ma ya de kire. Odo BRONII ni lawyer so ma confirm say eye jenu a wo mkuta na.
Pokia so die ni o mo ye Pokia so die. Pokia
o ma confirm say jenu ana say obi na de to kaka.
Me ba Pokia me saba me ba.
Okay.
I can't see the reason by show me bo me ba. Pokia o die ni. O die ne die.
Auntie 10 number no say.
Number no na wo no.
Yeah.
And I was
So it
saying
has
that
Other side.
every
yes.
yeah.
Yes,
It
Yes,
has
that's it.
B
That's
O
it.
B
Yeah.
00117961138. Okay.
even though this is printed in already no say na omo de
Pray
chair no say
photocopy.
o print na sa page na omo de ba social media no say o print it out automatically say if you use a colored printer it will come as blue.
Yeah, and
If you
correct.
use a colored printer it will come
Abeba
as blue.
blue.
It won't come as black.
Yeah, abeba blue.
If you into Odo BRONII page now, the end of the page you will see there is an X at the edge,
Yes, that's X
meaning
no
that
edge
it is
or yeah,
it is a tab that can be closed.
All right.
can be closed. Exactly.
Queen Nyabote non chair what in Yensia de Pan.
Yeah.
It was no Yeniabre.
Inti
Mami ya
ohe X no can hear X no
Wohwɛ
one,
X
which
na,
is you
nti
can close
wohwɛ
it.
saa paper no na Odo BRONII did that so no
So
it's different from
it means you can close the
it means you can
app.
close
Papa,
and
me bancho.
so when Odo BRONII page no
I dey go court. I good news.
reason
Maame Akosua
Yeah.
Wales and yes.
Yeah.
for Odo BRONII page no
I
chase
was your bomb, Mr. Monto give to you normal report to page, you know.
mo
Normal
hwɛ
report
BRONII
to
page
me.
no but once
Monto
image
give to you, my power tap. Now Monto
image
give.
bie ni so a PDF wohwɛ so
Yeah.
a PDF afi go back to baby a blue no one no the baby a blue inks no one na me che ma de bi
Yeah. Okay. When you suni.
Ohun so wohwɛ mu din a there is a kowechi kakra there is an image akwai say a gray
Yeah.
hidden in the
Yeah,
in the
which is
paper.
like embodied as the company
Thank you.
embodied inside.
That
Yeah.
that shows you that Odo BRONII there no it is not part of that registration.
So I will
Never.
fix it in.
They were trying to fix it in and the system no automatically catch on say that Lumba na business no ye owner no or register the business no 2022. You cannot cheat a system.
Oh, in fact, even kind reflection, omucha picture reflection channel. It is all here. Reflection. I don't say rainbow star reflection. Cheap people now.
Exactly.
And so say when
Yeah.
Ghana TV stations and in Apostle media radio.
Reflection. I edit no more reflection
And
channel.
there is a page. There is a page that has start dates.
Yeah.
Which is that page now? Font no, a very small, and the ink near very faint.
And
I was
also
sure, baby.
And also anywhere font now. Where's the font no? There's a where's now you no. A small. But
Yes.
other ones only a bold. I can see
Good.
it.
So meaning that whatever they were trying to do, they were not getting the right font that was used for the original piece into whatever input they were doing. No, the amateur on the cramp no that start date no was 2014. No, oh me who tell me come me when so then I lose it. So these are the things that we should be looking. What nyakopon the mobile. Nyakopon the go to the next page for me again, like the same
Okay.
document, either the next page or the third page. Now me chair with the amateur no. Finally, I think.
So I
Your bomb report to page, Mr. Monto give to you, my and what I say. I can't say. I guess the reason is Muya. Why?
Yeah, I think is it? Let me see. Hold on. Is it this? Well, maybe actual 2014. No. Yeah, actual 2014 October 7.
No phone.
Then
And
the
on
phone.
the phone.
Yeah, straight. Would they straight? We'll
Yeah,
try
straight
to
on.
read it. Yeah, just do it straight. We'll try to read it.
Okay. So if I'm right here, say where.
Yeah. So maybe actual start date. You know, she start font size. You know,
Yeah.
natural font size na can.
And I said, I don't know. Yeah,
You could
different.
clearly see say
Different.
Esusa.
Yeah.
Clearly see say Esusa.
We sakra. Yeah.
Esusa kra. Once they say oh fill it form some. Yeah, na we dealing with documents. No, so what your email kra na your font matters. So who
Yeah.
fill it from the font size is always the same.
Yeah.
So the moment you close out of it, you know, sometimes back be my sometimes it's hard for you to even determine to even remember what fonts you use. Because I feel like makes it sound before you might, if it is you who did the original one, you would know. In terms of when my input they didn't know these are the minor things we should be getting in their things and calling them out
then,
on it.
So in your terms, now say to legal wife and you're more analytical and you call in the system to expose the system.
Let's question them.
Yes, so we question the authorities in Ghana Register General. Say we want to see the authenticity of the document.
How can somebody register a business and you are trying to tell us that a registered business is able to be edited? A business that has already been registered. And finally, at a queen, means a winnie nkola no mubenya any de abon komwa. There's one thing I want you to show them that will speak to their conscience. Oh, obituary no moye no. If you can get a copy of obituary no, sit the children down and let them go through the obituary and ask the children, say, how much of space did they give them in that obituary? Are they trying to tell the children that omuni papa need grown up picture bia number 1 for them to put those grown up pictures in there? Number 2, if the court recognize their mother as a wife, obituary no they should Odo BRONII no onkwala 6 obusia. Sebi bibi to amuma and there. Before anything their mother and their father suffered for, Odo BRONII be chairman in 6. Owi or their man ne brother. Owi or their man immediate family. Ni asie na beka no, asa na be dwe omo ho.